Welcome to AAA Gaming in our non-gaming video series. I don't really know what else to call it, but we're taking a look at some stuff from Autumn and Abigail. We've also done a video for Abigail and her soap making. So now we're doing Autumn here, and she's going to be making us, I believe, some candles.
Yay!
Now, we have already done kind of a practice round of this, so she's got some idea of how to do this. So this time, I think she's actually going to step up her game, and we're going to introduce some decorations
and color
and some scenting. So we're going to make the candles smell.
Yeah.
So you want to tell us about the decorations and scents?
These are dried flowers that I'm going to be putting on after when the candle's been made. And these are the scents, and then these are the color. The two colors I'm going to be doing today are blue, purple, or pink. I don't know which one this is, but yeah. And we should call it AAA Making.
AAA Making, okay. Do I have to create a new channel now?
No.
So what are these three things here?
This one's vanilla.
Oh, are those actually the molds that we're going to do the candles in?
Yes.
Okay, and you got the mold with the scent inside. Okay.
Yes, so I know which one's which. This one is the lime, and then this one's the grapefruit white. Yeah.
Okay.
The three I'm gonna be making. And now, let's get started on melting.
Yeah, let's
wax.
talk us through the process here, Autumn.
Well, I've only had one practice round, never done color before, and yeah, I'm gonna be putting 2 bags in, because last time I made these little ones, and did not turn out well. I did 3.5, so if I do 1 bag, it's gonna only fill up 2, and then less. So I'm gonna be doing 2 bags today, and I've made another candle. Let's turn this on. I've made another candle right here. That's drying right now, but yeah, it's our Shabbat candle. And I need this to melt so I can put the rest in here. This is our thermometer.
Okay, so what's the importance of the thermometer?
Just to check how hot it is, the temperature.
So the temperature of the melted wax needs to be
185.
185. So it has to be a certain number. That's the level you want to pour at, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Cannot be too cold, not be too hot. Just has to be in the middle. And I've been making it, and it's still at the seed, whatever. These are the sticky pads, stickers to wax strings. Whatever. Wicks to stick them down on the bottom so they don't move. This is the stabilizer, and
So that is a brace to hold the wick in place while
Yes.
the wax is cooling and getting hard. Okay.
yes, I have poured the next batch in, and now we're just waiting for that to melt. Wow, I'm waiting for it to melt. That's on. And then I gotta put the last one on. Where's the wick? Oh. You can see right here, it comes off clearly like that. You just stick it on. Doesn't matter if it's in the middle. Peel it off and just stick it. Make it straight as you can as possible without breaking it. Okay.
So where can you get a kit like this?
You can get it from Walmart, Amazon, and craft stores.
So craft stores like Michael's. Okay.
Yes. Woo! It's coming in. You can see it's already sticking together a little.
We're just about ready with the wax here. I think it's almost completely melted, right?
Almost.
Just about. Okay, so I had a couple of questions. The first one was, I see you briefly mentioned this other candle here, but there was something we wanted to mention about that.
You can take old wax that you've already melted, like
So old
dirty
candles.
and everything. Yes.
And recycle it into a new candle, which is exactly what we have in the little container right there.
And if you have a wick, you can do that.
Get the lighter and
I'm
actually
gonna-
turn that on.
Light it. And I hope it works, even though not really complete yet, but
Close enough.
I'll leave it on for like 10, and there you go. It's gonna start sinking down.
And that, we're not gonna let that go all the way because we're gonna use that as a Shabbat candle.
Yep.
Okay. So
Yep.
let's
Alright.
check the thermometer. And what are we looking for again?
185. One eighty five.
There it is. So it's off.
But wait, before we pour,
I'm just getting it off the element so it doesn't keep getting hotter. I'm gonna put it right here.
Okay,
Okay.
add your leaf.
Okay.
We are
So
ready.
what is the next step?
color.
Color.
We're adding
We're going Wizard of Oz.
blue, or we might have to put the whole thing in. But ooh, it's pretty. What you laughing about? It's turning blue. I might need the whole heart, but yeah, just maybe. Well, that. Yeah, we're definitely gonna need the whole heart. Now I may cut like a little bit more, and you can cut it safely with the butter knife, which is maybe a little bit too. It's a little tough, but yeah, you want to go slow. So
It looks like it might be about as dense as like a crayon.
woo! And that might scare you. Which is
Like it just did you.
yeah. But you want to go slow, or else it's gonna happen like it happened to me. See? Oh,
That should be enough.
yep. Same that. We have not put the purple in yet. Stir, stir, stirring, 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 stirring. Ooh, that's a pretty blue. Not gonna lie. Now, add purple in. Start adding purple. We're now gonna put our scents in now.
Into the jar, right? Mm-hmm. Okay.
We'll be doing vanilla first. Okay, let's pour in the wax now.
Well, no, because we had it cool a little bit, so let's check the temperature real quick. We've put it back on a low temperature.
One 833.
Abby.
It should be good.
We should be good.
Go. Now, we don't need that. Okay. More. Let's start with this one. And
Start with maybe halfway up, and then if there's any left over, you can top it up from there.
maybe add a little bit more purple. Put that on.
I like that.
Whew. I'm gonna quickly stir it because I don't want it sitting for too long. Blue and purple actually make a really good color. Nice, like a lavender or something. Oh, I see the purple. Spreading its color. That's what we want. And then for the lime, it's gonna look a lot different, I bet. And now let's pour. This looks more purpley now. More purple.
Yeah, just put the rest in there. Oh, look at that. It actually it looks like it's making a teeny little layer. That's pretty cool.
Now, we'll be decorating it after. We're going to be adding some dried flowers. So, yep.
And other assorted decorations.
Never done this before. So I'm just going to...
None of us have.
Looks pretty. Looks like a cherry blossom one. The blue one's my favorite one. The vanilla smells really good. And my Opa's gonna be having this one. See if he wants it. Candle's been blown out. I'll put that in right there. Because it's going to be sinking. Now I'm going to save this and add a little bit more things.
All right, well, it has been 24 hours, and we are back with our closing shots to kind of show the final results of Autumn's candles here. So what are we looking at, Autumn?
The candles that I made.
That's very helpful.
Which ones are which? Because you can't tell which
This
ones are
one
the scents. Which one?
Is
That
the
was
grapefruit.
That's the grapefruit.
This one's the lime. And then this one is the vanilla. And then this one's not scented.
So that vanilla one, is that mine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the candle that's burning was from the previous series.
Yeah. So I noticed that you got a lot of little flowers and stuff in there. That was your final touch on there. So that's cool. So what's one of the main things that people should know, or kids know when they're making these candles?
Supervision by adults.
So yeah, there you go.
It's pretty easy to do, but you still need to have your parents around.
So there you go, friends. This is the thank you, Autumn. You did a great job on these candles, and yeah.
Yeah, we'd like to thank everyone for watching. We'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to, can you say it with me, Autumn? Like,
And subscribe.
share, and subscribe.
Okay, bye for now, everyone.
Bye.